Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. So this video is about downloading and installing the Winproladder, which is a Winproladder, which is basically the simulator for FATEK PLCs, and I've given the download link in the description, so you can download it from here, right given in the description link. And now we'll install this file from this downloaded zipped file. I'll just 7-zip it so that we extract these files to this folder. We'll just open it, and now what we'll do is that you'll select this PLC for me, Winproladder application. This will open up the setup application for you. We'll click on next again. I usually change the destinations so that my C doesn't get full. So now the setup has installed this FATEK PLC simulator for me. So I'll just go to my desktop and locate the Winproladder. You can see it over here. I'll double click on it, and now you can see that such kind of window will appear for you guys. So we'll just click on file and then new project, and here you'll name the project. You can name it as my project, and you have to edit this FBE 20MC to, and here you will choose FBS 24 and the model would be MA. So you're going to choose the FBS 24 MA model, and you'll select OK, and then you're going to just proceed as it is. So here are the settings for your FATEK Winproladder, which is basically the simulator for your FATEK PLCs, and we are going to perform the further experiments on this simulator and these PLCs. So these are just another kind of PLCs that are available in the market, and inshallah we'll get handy with them too. So take good care of yourselves. Take care. Allah Hafiz.